My name is Tempo. I am with Ashanti AI. It's a startup in Braamfontein. We're doing data science, analytics, and my group mates are a bit shy. Okay, one decided to join me. The challenge that we worked on was to use open survey data to identify like the most important issues to like different groups of people in South Africa, young people, females, and different genders. So what we did was we had 3 different data sets. One was the voting data, which was from the IEC. It's for legendary elections for 2004, 2009, and 2014. Another data set that we had was the survey data from the Human Sciences and Research Council. And another data set that I personally worked on was the protest data, which I think was very interesting. Dealing with the voting data, what we were looking here for was to see how many people registered to vote, like different age groups of people per province. So what we did, we imported the data, and then before that we worked on the party lists, the people that are registered as councils for different parties for different provinces. So this is what we did. We took up their ID numbers, split it up, and then calculated their age and also extracted their gender, and then divided the ages into different age groups. Between youth, when I say youth, I will be referring to people who are between 18 years and 29 years old, and then others from 30 to 39. I said 30s. This guy says 1 minute is left. Okay, so yeah, this was the box plot for the different ages that we got from the data. And then which was interesting was that we saw there was a few people that were 109. So we don't know whether the ID numbers were incorrect or that's the actual data for these people, because most of them were born in November, like in spring. Somebody said that maybe when they were born, people were protesting against vaccinations. I don't know, but I think something was wrong with the data. Right, and we also divided it into like different age groups between youth and then people who are in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and so on, for males and females who are registered. We noticed that the youth group, it had more females that were registered than all the other age groups, which I thought also was interesting. This was the data that we...
30 seconds, 30 seconds.
I really think that's a good part. So with the protest data, what we did was we split it up, and then we took the reasons for protest. We did a sentiment analysis. I mean, this is the 4th of May. We used a VEDA sentiment analyzer. So the protest, the reason for protesting that had like the most negative polarity was in Nelspruit, Sibanye, where people in the community, they killed a person who was suspected of rape. So if you read the text, it says that women were involved, like the whole community was involved in it. And the one that had